Ever wondered how some people manage to make a splash online seemingly overnight? Imagine turning your passion into profit in just a few clicks. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with digital marketing in 2025, no experience needed. In today's video we're diving into the world of digital marketing. Whether you're looking to promote your own business or start a new career, digital marketing offers endless opportunities. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is all about reaching your audience through digital channels like social media, websites and email. In today's tech-driven world, it's more important than ever to understand how to leverage these tools. Why start digital marketing in 2025? The digital marketing landscape is booming. With more businesses moving online, there's never been a better time to get started. It's accessible, scalable, and the perfect field for beginners to make their mark. First things first, let's talk about choosing your niche. This is all about finding a specific area you're passionate about and that has market demand. Maybe it's health and wellness, technology, or fashion. Whatever it is, make sure it excites you and has a potential audience. To find a profitable niche, start by brainstorming areas of interest. Research trends, explore forums, and use tools like Google Trends to identify popular topics. The goal is to find a sweet spot where your passion meets market demand. Next, you'll need to build your online presence. Start with creating a website or blog. This will be your hub for all your content. Platforms like WordPress or Wix are user-friendly and offer customizable templates to get you started. A strong online presence also includes active social media profiles. Choose platforms where your target audience spends their time. Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are great places to start, but don't overlook emerging platforms like TikTok and LinkedIn. Consistency and engagement are key to building a loyal following. Content is king in digital marketing. You'll need to create engaging and valuable content to attract and retain your audience. Think about blogs, videos, infographics, whatever suits your style and your audience's preferences. When creating content, focus on providing value. Solve problems, answer questions, and entertain. Use a mix of formats to keep things interesting and reach a broader audience. Remember, quality over quantity. One well-crafted piece of content is worth more than several mediocre ones. Now let's touch on SEO, or search engine optimization. This is all about making sure your content is easily discoverable on search engines like Google. Simple strategies like keyword research, optimizing your content, and building backlinks can significantly improve your search engine rankings. Start by conducting keyword research to find terms your audience is searching for. Use these keywords naturally in your content, titles, and meta descriptions. Optimize your site speed and ensure it's mobile-friendly. Building backlinks from reputable sites can also boost your SEO efforts. Creating content is just the beginning. Imagine transforming your ideas into captivating videos that grab attention instantly. That's where Pictory AI comes in. With Pictory AI you can create engaging videos in minutes using the power of AI. Ready to take your content to the next level? Learn more about Pictory AI. Social media is a powerhouse in digital marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter allow you to connect with your audience in real time. Remember to post consistently and engage with your followers to build a loyal community. Start by creating a social media strategy. Identify your goals, whether it's brand awareness, engagement, or driving traffic to your site. Use a content calendar to plan your posts and maintain consistency. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, hosting live sessions, and running polls or giveaways. Don't overlook the power of email marketing. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with your audience. Craft personalized and segmented email campaigns to keep your subscribers engaged and coming back for more. To build an email list, offer something valuable in exchange for their email address, like a free ebook discount or exclusive content. Use email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit to manage your campaigns. Personalize your emails based on subscriber behavior and preferences to increase open rates and conversions. Paid advertising is another crucial component of digital marketing. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads can help you reach a larger audience. Focus on creating effective ad campaigns and track your performance to optimize your results. Start by defining your advertising goals. Are you looking to increase website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales? Create compelling ad copy and visuals that resonate with your audience. Monitor your ad performance and adjust your strategies based on the data. A/B testing can help you determine what works best. As you become more comfortable with digital marketing, you can start exploring advanced strategies. This includes things like influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, and advanced analytics. Influencer marketing involves partnering with influencers who can promote your brand to their followers. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. And with advanced analytics, you can dive deep into data to understand your audience better and refine your strategies. Tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, and Ahrefs can provide valuable insights into your performance and help you make data-driven decisions. To wrap things up, we've covered the basics of digital marketing, from choosing your niche and building your online presence to creating content and leveraging social media. Remember, the digital world is brimming with opportunities, and now is the perfect time to dive in. With the right strategies and tools like Pictory AI, your potential is limitless. Start today, and watch your dreams unfold. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips and tricks. See you next time.